Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to write a program to convert a binary to a number into binary by recursion method or by a function. It's very easy. First of all, how to convert a binary by mathematical. If you have entered 34 number, you divide 34, we have 17 value, a remainder is 1. Then 17 divided by 2 is 8 and remainder is 0, then 4 and remainder is 0, then 2 a remainder and 0, then 1 and remainder is 1. Now we display these reminders in reverse order, and this is the binary number of 34 1 0 0 1 0. So how to write a program to follow this? Let's start. So first of all we have to use def function for convert is a name of the function, convert to binary. And argument is n. Okay, def is used to create function, and the function name I am choosing convert to binary, and n is a argument. Now if n is greater than 1, then our program is work, because one value is 0, we know that. Then recall that function convert n divide by 2. You know that in this program this is the input value, 34 is greater than 1, then we require 17. Okay, so now now this function, if you put value 3 is greater than 1, okay, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, I am not talking about remainder. Okay, if you divide 3 2 and 2 is remainder is also 1, but I am not talking remainder, I am talking about this. So 1, now the function value is 1 and is not greater than 1, so then else we write a program for this. So print n percentile for remainder, we require remainder 2 comma and for inverse display. Okay, then this is a value 34, and we recall the function dec, this is the value, we explain again and print. Okay, now we run this program. Some error, dec is equal to 34, sorry dec होगा यहाँ पे, run. Okay, some error again. Okay, because this is not in the condition. Convert binary, this is also not the condition of if, and this is also not. Okay, now we have the binary value this of the 34. In this example of value of 34 is 0 0 1 0, not 1, because here we put or equal to also. Okay, now we get the binary convert. Now what happened, let's take example. The input value is 5. For example, input value is 5. Now n value is 5, it means function argument value is 5. Now 5 is greater than 1. Okay, value is n is 5, is input is 5 is greater than 1. Okay, now the value is going, we recall the function. Now value is 5 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Now n value is 2. Okay, now n value is greater than 2, then again, so we have how many values? 5, 2 and 1. Okay, now we check the percentile. For percentile for 5 is 1, percentile is for 2 is 0, and percentile for 1 is 1. Okay, now the value is input in inverse, so 101 is the value of 5. Let's check. This is 101 is the binary code. Okay. That is, we require n value. We require these n value. 34 is the input value, but we need 17, 8, 4, and then check reminder. That's why here this line change the value of n, and this line check the reminder, and this line and is in display the reminder in the inverse direction. Okay, and then we recall the function. It's very simple. If any doubt, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon and comment any doubt, and please support my work by Patreon. Only $5 for a month. Please support my work. Thank you very much.